Hey everyone, is your car's clutch system acting weird? Are you struggling to shift gears, or is your check engine light suddenly on? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0801, Reverse Inhibit Control Circuit Malfunction, your car might be having trouble engaging reverse gear, which could leave you stuck in a tricky situation. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0801 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components responsible for this issue so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0801? The P0801 trouble code indicates a fault in the Reverse Inhibit Control Circuit. This system is designed to prevent accidental shifting into reverse while the vehicle is moving forward. If it fails, your transmission might not go into reverse or it could engage incorrectly. Symptoms of P0801 include difficulty engaging reverse gear, grinding noise when shifting into reverse check engine, light illuminated transmission stuck in a forward gear, erratic or delayed shifting. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0801. To diagnose P0801, check these critical components. Reverse inhibit solenoid location, mounted on or near the transmission case. Function, prevents reverse gear engagement when the vehicle is moving forward. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, found under the hood, near the battery or inside the passenger side kick panel. Function, manages electronic shift control including the reverse inhibit function. Reverse gear position sensor. Location, typically located on the transmission housing near the gear selector linkage. Clutch pedal position sensor for manual transmissions. Location, mounted on the clutch pedal assembly. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the TCM, reverse inhibit solenoid and sensors. Function, transfer signals. Any damage can disrupt the system and trigger P0801. Common causes of P0801. Faulty reverse inhibit solenoid. If it's stuck or not receiving power, reverse gear won't engage. Defective transmission control module, TCM. A software glitch or internal failure can prevent proper shifting. Malfunctioning reverse gear position sensor. Incorrect position readings can cause system errors. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors. Broken wires can interrupt signals between the solenoid, TCM, and sensors. Clutch pedal position sensor failure. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, dirty or insufficient fluid can cause shifting issues. How to fix P0801? Step 1. Check the reverse inhibit solenoid. Test its operation and replace if defective. Step 2. Inspect the reverse gear position sensor. Make sure it's detecting shifts correctly. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Repair or replace any damaged wires. Step 4. Test the clutch pedal position sensor for manual transmissions. If faulty, replace it. Step 5. Check transmission fluid levels. Refill or change fluid if dirty or low. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. A P0801 error in the reverse inhibit system can make shifting into reverse difficult or even impossible, affecting drivability and safety. Checking the solenoid, sensors, wiring, and TCM is key to solving this issue. Watch these related videos next. P0468, EVAP Vent Control Circuit Low Voltage P0469, EVAP Purge Flow Sensor Circuit High Input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.